Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, welcome to the Shailesh Fulsunge's pep talk for the day. I am Shailesh Fulsunge, father of a superboy, hotelier with 32 years of experience, Amazon #1 best-selling author, a steward transformed into a managing director, founder of Melon Hospitality Private Limited. I am going to talk on a particular quote which says, it is basically on education. It says, education never teaches you the facts. Education never teaches you the facts. It's a tool to train your mind. Education never teaches you the fact. It is just a tool to train your mind. Most of us never use this great tool. Let me repeat once again. Hear this very carefully. Education never teaches you the fact. It's just a tool to train your mind. Most of us never use this great tool. Life is wonderful. What do you understand by this? All of us go to school, go to colleges, we learn, we read, we write, so many subjects. Eventually, it is only the learnings which we have taken away, not the micro learnings of history, geography, or any other subject that never comes into your, or that is never part of your practical life. It is just a tool which is training us to get our mind powerful, and this great tool should be utilized when we are into the practical life. And I am sure you will also agree, all of us don't utilize this great tool which is given by Almighty to us. So friends, it carries a lot of value what our parents has given us in the form of education. Everybody has a wonderful gift in the form of mind. Keep your mind calm, try to meditate. It is a great practice. There is a picture frame of Lord Buddha. He has already set an example to keep your mind cooled. A cool mind will deliver large things. A cool mind will deliver extraordinary things. Signing off once again, Shailesh Fulsunge, father of a superboy, hotelier with 32 years of experience, Amazon #1 best-selling author, a steward transformed into a managing director, founder of Melon Hospitality Private Limited. Keep in touch, stay motivated, keep your mind cool, and utilize our mind. See you in my next video. God bless you all.